Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are viewing this lesson. Today, what we'll be doing is curating of CBT, computer-based test, using FormsApp. That's what this very lesson is going to be teaching us. I'm going to do a comprehensive lesson, so it's going to be a little bit longer than what we have before. In this very case, that means that when you are watching this very lesson, you are expected to pause at some point and practice what you have seen in the lesson. Okay, remember we are using Forms app. If you look at the screen of my phone, you will see Forms app. You click on your Forms app. It's very easy. You click on Google Form. You must have gone to Google Play Store to download Forms app before now. You need to download and install Forms app. Install it with your Gmail before now. So when you click, when you look at this very place, you're going to see all these forms. These are forms that I have created earlier before now. But we want to create a new form. So when you get to this very place, in your own, if you have not created any form before, if you have not created any exam, it is going to be blank. So at this very point, you are going to click on the plus. You see this very circle that has a white plus inside it, that is by the down right side of my phone. You click on it. When you click on plus, this is what is going to display. When this thing comes out, what else do you need to do? You're going to click on create blank form. Create blank form. You click on it. When you click it, it's going to give you a description. Okay, let us assume that this is third term examination. Third term social studies examination. Examination. Total social studies examination. Description is for grade 3. This one exam is for grade 3. You have put your description. When you're done with this, you click out. How do you create this very form? How do you add up this very form? You will see this same plus. This plus is what you'll be clicking to add anything you want to add. The plus in the blue circle. In your own phone, I don't know what color it's going to be showing, but here it is showing blue. So you click on it. When you click on it, you can add your section. You can add your section. So I'm going to click on section. You see this very drop down list. You see section, add section. I'm going to click add section is the last on the list by the base. I click on add section. When I click on add section, section 1 will be my biodata. Biodata. This is what I want to collect here. Biodata. That's what I want to collect here. So in my biodata, I will click on my plus. When I click on that very plus again, you will see this drop down list. If you want to collect biodata, what you use to collect biodata is short answers. Short answers. So you click on short answer. That's the first in the list for short answer. Then you put name. So you can put surname first. You click on required. You see this very circle where you have required. There is a white circle in front of it. You click on it, required. Then you click on the plus again. Click on short answer. This is what you're going to repeat till you finish what you want to do. Registration number. If that very school is a school that has registration number, you click required. So when you click required, you click on the plus. So you click on short answer. Let us assume that you want to collect information on gender. You want to know the gender of the person that is writing that very examination, because these things are what you use to judge in the class. Required. What else? The class is already there, so that you can equally put class. Class. So class is required. So you click on required. Now you have finished gathering your biodata. This is for biodata section. Then what else do you need to do when you want to cross over to another section? You click on plus. When you click on plus, You are going to click on add section because this very section now is where the quiz is going to be. It's where the examination is going to be. So it's going to be different from the other section. So you click on section, add section. Then you're going to have section title. You're going to have like section A. What is section A? You have a objective, objective, objective test, objective test. That is what is in section A. So you have put your objective test. You can put subtitle in your subtitle or you leave it. Then objective test. Now you click on this very plus. When you click on this very plus, how do you put objective test? How do you put objective test? You can put your objective test by clicking multiple choice. Multiple choice. You know, in objective, the questions are multiple choice. When you ask the question, there are options that are provided. So that's why we need to click multiple choice. When you click on multiple choice, then you put your answers. Who is the head of the family? That's my number one question for this very exam on social studies. Who is the head of the family? Then you click on add option, option A. In my option A here, I have my option A. I don't mind those things that are popping up. I have mother. Then I add another option, option B. I have father. Then option C. You click on C, option C. You have uncle. So when you finish this, what are you supposed to do? You come down and click required, meaning that this very question has to be answered. You click on required. Then this is how you add all the questions that you want to add. I click on it again. I select multiple choice. So when I select multiple choice, this is my question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. One of these is an agent of socialization. One of these is an agent of socialization. Then when you finish inputting it, you put add options. Option A. I have in option A, river. Then in my option B, I have school. Then in my option C, I have tree. I have 3 in my option C. So these are the questions. This is how you put you put all your questions. This is how you put all your questions. This is how you will add all your questions. So when you finish adding, you click required. Okay, let me make the questions like 3. Let me make the questions like 3. Multiple choice question. A group of people who live together and is related by blood, married by blood, marriage or adoption is dash. So is dash. Now I've asked this very question, then I'll add my options. Option A is church. Option A is church. Option B Is family. Option C is school. School. Okay, I have actually done 3 questions. So when you are done with this, you have added these 3 questions. I'm going to click required, meaning that the answer I require it. What next do I need to do? If you look at the top of this very place, you're going to see submit. You're going to see submit. When you click on this very submit, show summary, you click on show summary. You want people to see their response. Allow multiple response. No, it's an examination. Allow respondents to edit. No, it's an examination. Then you click on submit. When you click on submit, what happens? It boots like this. When it boots like this, let's see what happened. It's going to give you a place from where you can copy your link. You can copy the link from here and save it on WhatsApp. I will show you where to get it later. Then you click on view form. You click on view form where you must have copied their link and save it anywhere you want to save it, whether in your WhatsApp or whatever. So this is the form here now. It has come out. Now you need to set this very form because you really need to set the form. So but the place you're going to set is where you have your distance. So you're going to click on setting. So when you click on setting, how do you click on setting? This very pen icon that is down here, you click on it. When you click it, this thing is going to open like this. Third term social studies examination, grade 3, section, continue to next section, then biodata, you see it here, registration number. So it has come to this very point, and this very place you need to like edit your work. So you need to like edit your work at this very point. So when you get to this very point, you really need to edit this very work. So what do you need to do? You go to the top of this very place. You go to the top here. When you come to the top here, you're going to see these very options: questions, responses, settings. You need to set the question. You click on setting. Make it a quiz. It is a quiz. You click on make it a quiz. It will activate like this. Submit immediately, submit later. These are options that you can miss questions. So you see all these very options. You will activate what you want. The one is going to activate what you want. Manage how the forms and responses are presented. So you see here, this shows a whole lot of things that you can do. So this is where you choose all these things. So when you have made it a quiz, you're going to go back to questions. So when you go back to questions, you need to set your questions. Select the right answers. How do you select the right answers? You click on the question. When you click on the question, you scroll up. You're going to see this very box that looks like a square box. This very square box that is blue in color, you're going to see a good. It looks like it has something like a briefcase. It's like a briefcase by the left here, left end. You click on that very box. You click on that very box. So when you click on this very box, what happens? You are going to see this very question, 10 points. Because that is what is on the default. You can actually change your point. If you click on this point, you can change. I can change it to 5. I can make it 5 points. I can make it 2 points. I can make it 2 points. I can make it 10. You delete and put whatever point that you want to give. So who is the head of the family? The right answer is father. You click on father. You click on done. You click on done. This is how you're going to set all the questions. When you click on the question will highlight. When it highlights, you click on this very box. You must deactivate that very box that has blue good inside it. You deactivate it. When you click on it, it will deactivate. So 10 points. One of these, the answer is school. One of these is an agent of success. So you click on the third question. You click on question number 3. Then one of these, a group of people that live together. The answer is B. That's family. So when you are done with it, you are almost done with this very question. You have selected the right answer, meaning that when people finish answering this very question, it is going to like give them the correct answer automatically. Now, this very question, you need to customize it. Let us assume that it is for your school. You need to put your school logo so that any person that wants to write this very question, once they get the link, they are going to see your school logo, the school that is doing it. How do you do that? You come to this very background. If you look by the top there, after the envelope sign, there's an envelope sign that is purple in color. There's something that looks like a semicircle that has 4 dots inside it. You click on that. When you click on that, it will bring you to this very place. When it brings you to this very place, you can select colors, the colors that you like. You see theme color, you see background color. You can select any one that you like. You can even change your font style. You can use basic, you can use other font styles, you can change. But that's not what we are going to be doing here, but you can change it when you get to this very point. Now you click on choose image. You click on choose image. When you click on choose image, it will bring you to this very side. So when it brings you to this very side, you are looking at this very point. You see that you can select any of these pictures here, but that is not what you want to select. So what you're going to click on is upload image. So when you click on upload, you will click on browse. When you click on browse, it will give you it will allow you to go to your inbox. So you will go to your inbox, you click to your inbox, you can go to where where the logo is. You know where the logo is. So you know where the logo is. So you can go to where your logo is and pick the logo of your school or the logo of whatever that you want to put there. And you know where the logo is. You can go there. WhatsApp business. Okay, my own is in WhatsApp business images. So I can go to my WhatsApp business images. That's where my logo is. You can go there and search for my logo. I go there, I get my logo. Look at my logo here. Instead, I click on my logo. So when I click on my logo, it will boot like this. It is booting, so it has come. So I will select this very place that has my name, IPSEC. So you can select. This is what that can come out. So when you get it like this, what next do? You click on done. So when you click on done, it will boot like this. Then when you click on done, it will boot like this. It will say upload image uploaded. So image uploaded, you come here, you click on apply. Apply is by the right top. Apply. When I click on this very apply, it will be part of this my test. So I have set this very test. I've set this very test. So I've set this very test. So I've set this very test. When you finish this very test, you're going to click done. When you deactivate that very box, you will click done. So you click done. So you click done for all of them. When you deactivate and you select the right answer, family, you need to click done. So you need to click done. You see how I click done. I could have done this when I did it first, but I forgot. But when you are doing your own, just click done at once. Even if you forget, you can come back and click here done. So you can see that when you send somebody this very link now, the person can do a CBT exam. So this is just how to create a CBT exam. This is just one thing that you can do with this very Forms app. There are other things that you can do with it. So this is the first lesson with Forms app.